How to change tone, audio, and headphone accommodations on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to hearing section and go to audio visual. Here in audio visual, you can see here in audio section the headphone accommodation. Okay, you can tap this and you can see here the tone audio 4. So you can change the tone audio in your headphone accommodation. So you can see here the option. And the tone audio is set into balance tone. So you can change it into vocal range or brightness. So I decide to change the tone audio into vocal range. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the tone audio and headphone accommodation on iPhone X.